wanted it, America, and you got it. The hottest over-the-road cooking show on YouTube.
Semi-living, cooking on down the line. Semi-living, saving money and cooking time. Linda Lou's got the looks, while Paul he eats the cuss. Right to the belly where true romance starts. Hey, we'll squeeze the buffalo till he farts. Semi-living,
It's the tastiest show on the internet.
semi-living,
Linda Lou and Paul.
semi-living, semi-living.
Where's the bacon?
Hiya. Truck driver Linda. Truck driver Paul is not in the back.
I am sitting up front in my usual spot. Good afternoon.
We were issued a challenge from Hobbs Ventures to make a $5 meal. So what are we making? We're going to make tilapia. I have tilapia here. So I've already patted it all dry. So one of the things with fish is you want to dry it before you do anything with it. So we're going to make some tilapia. I'm going to get some gloves on though because I don't want to touch the fish. So we're going to make a chili mango salsa to go on the tilapia. But the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to make like a little seasoning to go on the fish. So let's get y'all down, and we just need a little bowl here. Okay. And first thing we're going to put in there is, this is the zest of 1 lime. I made mine myself. That's this. So it's the zest, and I just finely diced it. We're going to add that in there. And then we're actually going to add also the juice of this lime. I've got this wax paper here because I don't want the fish all over my board. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1 teaspoon of chili pepper to all of that. And mix it all up. Okay. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to it as well. Alright, so now what we're going to do is add this to the fish. And that's why I've got the wax paper here. So I've got 5 pieces of fish. And if possible, we're going to add it to both sides. Okay, there we go. Okay. So I'm just going to pick these up. Maybe. Oh, I forgot salt and pepper. So we're just going to salt and pepper a little bit. Okay, that's good. Alright. So now I'm just going to pick all these up and get them back on the plate and set them aside. Oh, and what I didn't say too is I do have rice cooking. So I'm going to serve this with rice, and I've got rice in the lunchbox. But, you know, just whatever rice you're going to use, just cook it to the package directions. First thing, we're going to drain some stuff. You're going to need a can of black beans and mango. So the first thing we're going to do is, for the salsa, this is going to be for the salsa. I should have said that. We're going to drain it and give it a little rinse. Okay. And then we're also going to drain the mango. Alright, and we're going to add that to this bowl. And then we're going to give this to Paul to clean up. And he'll be like, yeah, I'm going to clean it up. Hey, honey, will you go dump this?
Sure.
He's going to go dump it for us. And then I have a whole bunch of other stuff sitting up here. I'm gonna get it down here with you. So I have some jalapeno, some cilantro, some red onion, a red bell pepper, all sitting here. Some apple cider vinegar, okay? Another lime. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna finish making the salsa. We're gonna add, so this is a whole red bell pepper, and I've just took the seeds out and diced it. Adding that, and I've got a jalapeno that I've taken the seeds out and diced up, and add that. And this is about 1/4 of a red onion, so about 3/4 of a cup of red onion. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, about 2 teaspoons of sugar. Get another glove on. And then a little bit of cilantro. So this is 1/3 of a cup. I'm not going to add all of it though. I'm going to add about that much. If I add too much, Paul doesn't like it. And then we're going to do some more lime juice. Oh, there's Paul coming back. So, the juice of 1 lime. And then we're going to mix all that up. That smells so good. That smells so good.
Yes, it does.
And then I'm going to put a lid on this and set this aside. Okay, so we're not doing this in the lunchbox. We're going to do it in a skillet, the actual fish. But first I'm going to get all this cleaned up, get everything out of my way, and then I'm going to set the skillet up. So I'll be right back. Dishes are all done. Paul helped me. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I've got the skillet set up, and it's getting hot. I want to get it hot before I do anything. Before we get done though, I didn't talk about all the prices. So I will put somewhere in the video, I will put a list of what everything costs, but I wrote it down. So the total for everything today is $7.30. And I know you're like, oh, that's not a $5 meal, but that's for 2 of us. So, and that's not just for today. So technically, if we ate everything today, it's $3.65 per person is what it ends up being. But it's going to be supper for us today, and then because I'm making like 5 pieces of fish, there'll be enough left over for Paul to have lunch tomorrow. Oh, I gotta get my olive oil back out. Let me get you down. Add about 2 teaspoons of olive oil to a hot skillet. That might be a little bit more, but that's okay. And then let me get another glove on. It's definitely a glove kind of wearing day. And we are going to add our fish to the skillet. Okay, so like 3 to 5 minutes per side is all it's going to take. So I'll be back in like 3 minutes. We're going to check it first. Okay, so it's been like, I think 3.5, maybe 4 minutes. I'm terrible with time, y'all. I just kind of guess at all this. All right, let's get y'all down. Here comes the steam. Okay, so maybe another 5 minutes. When it flakes easy with a fork. And then, I'm not sure what internal temp for fish is. I guess I should look it up. Okay, we're gonna give this a check. Oh, yeah, I don't know, can y'all see that? See how that just flakes really easy? It's done. We're gonna get all this put on a plate. Woo, that's hot. Okay. So now I'm going to get rid of this skillet so we can get everything served up. So I'll be right back. Okay. Paul helped me with my skillet. He went outside and cleaned it for me. Wasn't that nice of him? Okay, so now we're going to feed them. All right, here's the rice we made in the lunchbox. So I'm going to put some rice on a plate. Okay. And then some fish. Get some big fish. Ouch. So I'm going to add salt and pepper here. And then we're going to add some salsa to it. And there it is. We're going to get Paul back here. We're going to see what he thinks.
Yeah, because I sure am hungry.
I'm not even going to have to pause it for that. He's standing right there behind the camera. He was watching me, making me all kinds of nervous. All right, true test. How is it?
Very good.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
The salsa's good?
Yes. It will work.
That's got the right amount of sweet and tart and spice and heat.
Good combination.
Okay. Do it again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do it again. Do it again. Okay, that's enough. We should tell all of you guys. What should we tell them?
Happy Easter.
The day after Easter on Monday, we're going to be home. We're excited. We'll be home that day. Hopefully we'll get a video up, but we don't know. And Tony's going to be there with us. All right, y'all. We're going to finish eating. And it's beautiful outside.
Yes, it is.
We're going to go for a walk.
Yes.
So, happy eating.
Happy eating.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.